All right, so this is Prayan from Magnetic Dating Influence, and today we are going to talk about how do you really maintain the attraction that you gained in the first 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or maybe in the first 5 minutes. What ends up happening, I see a lot of guys, they come in, they approach, and then you see like she's all attracted, like Bambi eyes, boom, they are on, the set is on. But like going in the set after like a minute or 2 minute or 3 minute, what happens is the attraction, like, it fades away. It kind of is not what it was in the beginning. Maybe it's going down. Maybe you're having trouble like maintaining the attraction when you're going for the move, right? You are trying to like walk with her, take her for like an insta date. So why does that really happen? So I would say number one thing is when you initially approach a girl, there is a factor of novelty. It happens in both sexes, the female and the male. Whenever we see a new mate, especially the opposite gender, there is a novelty dopamine kick in. The dopamine kick, it like creates curiosity among the opposite sex, and when it creates a curiosity, what does that do? So it does is it kind of tries to figure out, where do I place this other mate? Do I place this mate, especially if she's a girl? She will think, is he a lover? Is he a provider? What is he really? So what happens is she is actually having that initial attraction spark, which is due to the novelty. But then as soon as you start talking, there is little bit of rapport, and then is little bit more rapport building in. She kind of really gets to know you. And when that happens is, if your game is not on point, she would obviously not place you in the lover frame. Then you would actually lose the attraction from that moment. So this is one scenario. Let's talk about the second scenario. So the second scenario is you reached attraction, and then after maybe like 5 minutes, 10 minutes down the line, they say they went for the coffee date, they sat down, and they lost attraction. The girl was not as interested as she initially was. So why does that happen? I would say the number one reason is you might have learned some tricks or tips, and in the initial phase you just came in with high energy, you put that game and you got the attraction, and you got the attraction. But later on, what happened was your real self, it shined through, and what she could actually see is there was like incongruence in your personality to what you showed versus what you really were. And then it just goes a bit platonic, because you thought you gotten the attraction after putting this effort, and later on it just goes platonic. And why does it go platonic is because you're sitting, the energy is low. After the energy has lowered, you're not even using the tricks and tips, because you are in the phase of building comfort and whatnot. I would suggest you also need to like keep amping up a bit more. But the best scenario is when you initially use the tricks and tips, you need to play and keep the frame along. You kind of lose frame when you come into your original self. There is your one identity, and this side is your other identity. So you need to keep the frame that you begin with. If you lose frame, is where you lose attraction. So this is one of the major sticking points I see. Loss of frame is actually loss of attraction. You lost frame that you begin with. What is the strongest frame to have as a man? You need to have authenticity. If you're authentic, that's the strongest frame, versus the one you're trying to portray is kind of not as strong frame that you can hold, because it can be like poked and shattered at any moment. So these are, I think, some of the points you can keep in mind. So one more part about why do you lose attraction. The most important thing is when you initially got that attraction, guys, you did not ground it. The attraction is more like volatile. Like it's like it just evaporates in thin air. You need to like ground the attraction. You need to build the container where you need to ground it. So how do you ground it? You start getting investment from her side. You need to start qualifying her. You need to make her invest. You need to make her talk more than you are talking. Initially you would be the one talking more, but later on she should be the one who should be talking more. So this is the part which we talk about the inner game. But if you ask me for like quick tricks and tips to again regain the attraction after you have lost it. Probably I would say is trying to do push pull and all those basic attraction skills kind of would work, or but most cases it won't work because you have already this frame is already off the track. The frame that you were on the track, that's already gotten derailed. So the best way I would put this is you need to reframe the whole interaction from start to end. That means that you need to like flip the script. Instead of showing that she lost attraction in you, you need to show that you're kind of lost attraction in her, and maybe it's like kind of off vibe, but it's okay. You're still trying to figure her out, so you need to flip the script. Oh, is it this way? Are you always like that? No, you suddenly like go all cold. Are you like whatever it is? No, you can use this to flip the script. Second one is callback humor. You need to remember when the attraction spike initially happened, when it was at peak, and probably you had eye contact by that time. So you need to use callback humor whenever you have a chance. So that would also like get the attraction back after the anchor. So these are like quick points. I hope this helps. See you guys.